What wedding moment made you think they are not going to last long? My cousin ended up marrying her high school sweetheart boyfriend. Her family never liked him because he plays too much. Like, he does a lot of pranks. Mind you, he is 29 and still acting like 13. He's an absolute and if the red flag was a person, it would be that guy. When we found out they are getting married, her family started betting how long they are going to last. Anyway, I was invited to my cousin's wedding, and at the reception, as they prepared for the cake cutting, the groom's group of friends were already hyping the groom up, telling him to smash the cake on her face. My cousin told him not to because she spent so much for that day. After the first bite, the groom just put a small icing on her nose, which we thought was cute. Then one drunk groomsman walked up behind them, grabbed the top of the cake, and slapped it onto the bride's face. We thought the groom will do something about it, but he rubbed the cake all over her face and gave his friend a high five and screamed, "Yeah, bro." Her brothers came to the rescue and both of them in the face. It was a reception brawl. Groom was also fired from his job because he works for her dad. Let's just say the mom was right.